In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your Netgear router using power bank. Start by checking the power requirements for your router, which you can typically find on the label located on the back or bottom of the device. Next, ensure that your power bank meets the necessary voltage and amperage requirements. You'll need an adapter cable that connects DC to USB and is compatible with your setup. Connect the DC end to the power port on your router. Plug the USB end into the power bank. Turn on the power bank and the indicator lights on your router should light up, showing that it's getting power. If the router isn't working properly, it probably isn't getting enough power from the power bank. In this situation, you'll want to disable the 5G network. Check out my other video for instructions on how to do that. You'll find the link in the description. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share in the comments whether this solution helped you.